Hi friends, this is Chinmay Ganpatye from Amara Realty, your gateway to home sweet home. Today I am very excited to talk about our new project. Finding a home is not an easy task and it's a strategic move for your better future. So let's delve into reasons why you should consider this project. I would give you 6 points. The first one is connectivity. Connectivity is the key and developer has taken care of it. This project is just 300 meters away from the Kasarvadavli metro station. The second point is proximity to school. There are so many reputed schools in the vicinity like 7 Square Academy, Euro School, Pratap Sarnaik International School, Ryan International School, DG International School. Third, everyday necessities at your doorsteps. We have many shops in our project. Plus, Dmart is just 5 to 6 minutes away. Plus, we have Petrol pump which is just 5 to 6 minutes away from this project. So, you have a lot of convenience and comfort in terms of shopping or in terms of getting fuel for the residents of this project. Fourth point, closeness to commercial hubs. For professionals, you have banks, corporate IT parks like GCorp and MBC Park very nearby. Fifth point, surrounded by nature. From this project, you can get stunning views of Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and the air is clean and pure and serene over here. This is very peaceful area to live in. Sixth point, healthcare accessibility. So you have Titan Hospital and Oscar Multi-Speciality Hospital in your vicinity. So we would take you to the project now and we will show you our sample flat. Introducing premium 1 and 2 BHK homes at 59 lakh and 89 lakhs respectively. 1 BHK carpet is 430 square feet and 2 BHK has two variations, 625 square feet and 720 square feet. This is a 40-story tower and it will have 25 plus lifestyle amenities in a 25,000 square feet clubhouse. It will have amenities like indoor games area, 2 squash courts, badminton courts, creche, temple, landscape area, mini theatre, swimming pool and gymnasium. The estimated possession is June 2026. This project will have shops for your daily necessities as well. This is a modern township development with all modern amenities located at Kasarvadavli and very close to Kasarvadavli metro station. So now I will show you our sample flat of 1 BHK. This 1 BHK has a carpet area of 430 square feet. You can see the spacious living room. This is our dining area. This is the sofa setting and TV. And this is the full length windows. So you will get a sajja outside. This is our kitchen. Spacious kitchen with double-sided platform. And we have a dry balcony as well. This is our common washroom and this is our master bedroom. You can see this is a king size bed and you can see after keeping the bed also there is a lot of space to roam around. You are getting a niche wardrobe over here. This is a 5 feet in length. This is our attached washroom. So this is our spacious 1 BHK with 430 carpet where you are getting a spacious living room, you are getting a spacious bedroom with niche wardrobe space, you are getting a kitchen with 2-sided platform and a dry balcony. So if you like this project and if you like this sample flat, then please give me a call. The asking price of this property is just 59 lakhs and if you call me at the earliest, you would get a discount of 3 lakhs on this. So the price for you would be 56 lakhs and we would give you some good offers on that as well. Last but not the least, if you like this video, please like, share and follow my channel for such exciting videos in future where I would showcase you good properties in Thane and around Thane at the affordable rates with good finance schemes, and we give you free pickup and drop. We don't charge any brokerage. So please come. We are authorized channel partners for this project. You can come, you can give us a call, and you can make this home your home. Thank you.